Yanbaru Sake Brewery has been crafting awamori, Okinawa's traditional spirit, for over 600 years using local wisdom and natural blessings. In this tour, you will learn how awamori is made and discover the rich culture and heritage behind it. The foundation of awamori's taste lies in Thai rice and the natural spring water of Yanbaru. While Thai rice is used throughout Okinawa, Yanbaru Sake Brewery benefits from an extraordinary water source found only here. Drawn from the pristine Yanbaru forest, this water imparts a pure and delicate flavor, adding a distinctive character to our awamori. This local natural resource ensures the exceptional quality and taste of our spirit. Awamori is crafted using Okinawa's unique black koji mold, which plays a vital role in creating its distinct flavor and preserving it for long periods. During fermentation, black koji produces citric acid, enabling awamori to maintain its quality over time. In the fermentation room, the mold thrives, leaving walls and floors stained black as evidence of its activity. This dynamic and vibrant process reflects the deep tradition and wisdom of over 600 years of Okinawan heritage. The rice, now coated with black koji mold, is transferred to Moromi tanks, where it is combined with Yanbaru's natural water. Over the course of 2 weeks, fermentation takes place, gradually increasing the alcohol content to around 18%. This process is one of the most critical stages in developing awamori's distinctive flavor and character. Skilled craftsmen carefully control the temperature and humidity to ensure the perfect fermentation conditions. After fermentation, the Moromi proceeds to distillation. Heated to 78 degrees Celsius, the alcohol evaporates, condensing into a pure liquid. Each distillation yields approximately 650 liters of awamori with an alcohol content of 45 to 48%. Initially, the freshly distilled awamori has a sharp acidity, but after a year of maturation, this acidity softens, developing a smooth and mellow flavor. This aging process adds depth and refinement to awamori, enhancing its character and quality. Kuz, or aged awamori, refers to awamori that has matured for 3 years or more. Long-term aging gives it a rich and complex flavor unattainable in younger spirits. To preserve this tradition, the tugitashi method is used. By gradually adding new awamori to aged batches, the depth of flavor is maintained while ensuring sufficient volume. This technique was developed to counter the evaporation issue when awamori was stored in porous clay jars. Through this method, the legacy of awamori's timeless taste continues to be passed down, preserving Okinawa's culture and wisdom. Has deep roots in the local community. Approximately 70% of its annual production is consumed within the region, playing an essential role in local festivals and celebrations. Collaborates with local farmers to produce liqueurs using Okinawan ingredients. Awamori stands as a symbol of pride and is central to the local culture. We hope you've gained an appreciation for the nature and culture of Okinawa behind each bottle. As you enjoy awamori, we invite you to savor the deep traditions it represents. Thank you, and we look forward to welcoming you again.